any work at all that's done has to start with drawing, and I like to use a pocket sketchbook, which I have most of the time, carry with me, and I use it as a visual vocabulary notebook. Very interesting, just the observation of people. If I have a subject like the one we're going to talk about, the railway station, I would search through them and select figures that I thought had a good, interesting shape to them that might give the character of people in a railway station or a bus station, and try to simplify the form as much as possible. Instead of drawing it onto the lino, I found it's quite good to draw with one's fingers on the paper. Now this means that you're removing all detail and you're just getting the general shape of the figure. So it might be a shape like that. Now to tidy that up, you then get a pair of scissors and remove areas of the paper to make it more of the shape that you think is correct. Now that can then be put onto our lino and drawn round down. Now if that is going to be drawn round and cut and printed, remember the image will come out back to front. So if we're wanting a line here, we simply cut on this black line with our knife. And it will begin to have a character of its own with all these straight lines that we're using. So it's got to have the character of the medium. It's not a pen drawing we're reproducing. It's not a painting we're reproducing. It's a thing in itself, and the thing is from lino. So we cut the make use of the gouge. This area will remain the colour of the paper, because there will be no ink on it, and this shape here will have maybe black ink when it will be printed. And you sense after a while the sound of the ink in the roller, and if it sounds like this, it's correct. If it's squelchy, then it's far too thick. So the lino ink is applied to the lino evenly. To take a proof of the block, I always use newsprint paper. Apply paper over the block. A small roller. Now all the printing I do is without the use of a press. Small prints, large prints are all produced by hand. Lino prints, woodcut prints. there is more control in the printing by doing it in this way, hand printing method. And we'll lift that off and we get the print. There may be areas that you want to remove, like the wee broken bit down here, like that area there, like the area at the top. So before we tidy all that up, the liner block has got to be cleaned. Now once it's all been tidied up, we would do the same as before and do the same for other figures that we're wanting in this final print. Some definition, like the cases at the feet of these three men, is simply shown by cutting a line between the leg and the case. The columns in the station, that could either be one piece with a cut across here and a cut across here. In actual fact, they're three separate pieces. The print of the station is generally silhouetted with the minimum of white line.